Welcome back. I'm Masroor, and today we're turning your kitchen into a skincare lab. If you want glowing skin using safe, natural, and affordable ingredients, you're in the right place. I'll break down the science behind kitchen remedies for acne, dark spots, and aging. No myths, just facts. Grab a notepad, let's get started. First up, honey. Not just for tea, this is a skincare powerhouse. Honey is naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, making it perfect for calming acne and redness. Dab raw or manuka honey on blemishes, or use as a mask for 20 minutes to soothe and hydrate. It fights acne gently without drying your skin. Simple, effective, and science-backed. Let's talk lemon juice. Straight lemon on your face? Big no. Vitamin C in lemon can fade dark spots, but only if diluted. 1 part lemon to 4 parts water or aloe. Use as a spot treatment for 5-10 minutes at night, never all over, and rinse well. If it stings, wash off immediately. There are safer options, but if you DIY, dilute and patch test. Turmeric is a safe, powerful brightener thanks to curcumin, its anti-inflammatory superstar. Mix 1 TSF turmeric with 2 TBSP yogurt or honey for a mask. Apply for 10-15 minutes, then rinse for instant glow and reduced redness. Use once or twice a week for best results. Careful, it can stain. Aloe vera is your go-to for soothing, hydrating, and calming irritated skin. Scoop pure gel from the leaf and apply after cleansing. It hydrates, reduces redness, and may boost collagen for firmer skin. Use daily as a moisturizer or serum. Pure, simple, and effective. Skip harsh scrubs. Plain yogurt is a gentle chemical exfoliant. Lactic acid dissolves dead skin, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Apply full-fat yogurt as a mask for 15 minutes, then rinse. It nourishes and soothes while exfoliating. Easy, gentle, and great for glow. Cucumber slices aren't just a spa cliché. They hydrate and depuff tired eyes. Chill, slice, and place over eyes for 10-15 minutes to reduce swelling. The coolness constricts blood vessels, easing puffiness. You can also blend cucumber for a soothing face mask. Green tea is packed with EGDG, a potent antioxidant that fights aging and soothes skin brew. Strong green tea cool and use as a toner after cleansing spritz, or apply with a cotton pad for daily protection. It's refreshing and anti-inflammatory, and budget-friendly antioxidants are your skin's best friend. Rosehip oil is liquid gold for scars and wrinkles. Rich in vitamins A and C, it boosts cell turnover and fades dark spots. After cleansing, press a few drops into your skin at night. It locks in moisture and supports repair as you sleep. Perfect for a glowing, even complexion. Avocado's healthy fats deeply nourish and hydrate dry skin. Mash a quarter of ripe avocado, add honey if you like, and apply as a mask for 15-20 minutes. Rinse for soft, supple skin. It's a simple fix for parched skin. Oatmeal is a hero for sensitive, itchy, or irritated skin. Grind plain oats, mix with warm water to make a paste, and apply for 10-15 minutes. It calms inflammation, soothes, and locks in moisture. Gentle, effective, and perfect for flare-ups. Your skin will thank you. That's a wrap on my top DIY skincare remedies. Always patch test. What works for one may not work for all. Be patient and consistent. Results take time. Don't forget sunscreen and a healthy diet for true radiance. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-backed skincare. Let me know which remedy you'll try. Stay glowing and see you next time.